Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove watermark or WordPress carousel trial version link on our slider for WonderPlugin in WordPress using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WonderPlugin WordPress carousel and then you see WordPress carousel trial version. So we are going to remove it or hide it. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. Now you see amazing carousel item div z-index -99 and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page. Now you see watermark. Now refresh the page. Now you see watermark removed by using CSS. If CSS is not working on your site, you will find another video link in description where you will find how to remove watermark by editing plugin file. So go to plugin file, open JS file and then change blog to none and your issue will be fixed if this CSS is not working. Now go to customize section and also if you want you can add important tag to this custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.